Which zero commission brokerage should you use? What's going on, guys? It's Justin from Push and Profit. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day today. Now, I've been buying and selling stocks since early 2016, and I've used a multitude of different brokers along the way. So today I decided to make a video explaining which broker works best for a specific style of trading, because being honest, guys, all these brokerages, they have their pros and their cons, and some are just more suitable for one thing but terrible for another, right? Now, getting into it, the first on this list is going to be Robinhood. So by now, most individuals have heard of Robinhood, and fun fact, they were actually the first broker that I ever used to buy a stock, right? Now, the thing I like about Robinhood is that their platform is probably the most user-friendly platform out there, right? Where individuals with no idea on anything on stocks can pick up on things quickly. Now, with Robinhood, it is possible to day trade because I've done it in the past. However, being honest, their platform isn't really the best for short-term style of trading like day trading. It's doable, but I think where Robinhood really excels at is making long-term investments on their platform. I say this because their charts aren't anything a serious day trader would ever rely on, and their execution isn't the best, but as far as buying and holding, it gets the job done. I also like the fact that Robinhood also now features fractional shares, where you could invest in companies that you might not have the capital to invest in otherwise. For example, one share of Berkshire Hathaway costs approximately $320,000 at the time of this recording. Now, I don't know about you, but $300,000 for one share is a lot of money. But in Robinhood, it lets you invest in companies like this with just $1, buying just a fraction of that company. So if that company goes up, let's say, I don't know, 10%, your $1 fractional share of that company will also go 10% for the fraction that you own. So I think Robinhood really just evolved the whole concept of investing in stocks and really just dominated in that field. But like I said, it's really not the best platform for day trading. Although it is manageable to do it, it's just not the platform for that. Something else that I have to mention is that the customer support in Robinhood is pretty slow, in the sense that it's email based, so you might not get a response for about a couple of business days. But again, it's just, it's not really that important if you're doing long-term investing, right? You just wouldn't have that many issues or questions for you to contact customer support, right? Now, in my opinion, Robinhood is a fairly progressive company in the sense that they are constantly updating and bringing new things to the platform. So I think sometime in the future, they'll probably make more adjustments and improvements to bring in more traders, right? Next, we have Webull, which is pretty similar to Robinhood, but I would say that the interface is much more complex for beginners. It's more geared towards traders rather than long-term investors, in the sense that it provides so much more charting and data to help you make better informed trades. Now, Webull gets mixed emotions about their platform because some individuals prefer the advanced interface while others don't. However, in my opinion, this is what brings Webull to a higher level for trading. Now, at the time of this recording, unlike Robinhood, Webull doesn't allow for individuals to purchase fractional shares of a stock, and they don't offer trading spreads for options. However, they did send out an email saying that these features will be added to the platform very soon. So maybe by the time you watch this video, those features might have already been added in place. Now, what I really enjoy about Webull is that they offer paper trading, which is basically trading the real markets with simulated money, so that you could practice trading before you even start trading with real money. I think this feature alone is really crucial, because I personally recommend everyone who watches this video to start learning to trade before they actually put real money into the market. What also makes Webull more of an elite platform in comparison to Robinhood for trading is the fact that they provide screeners in which you can find, stocks that have been oversold or even overbought, so that you could implement some type of strategy to take advantage of those market conditions. They also provide a calendar in which you could search for upcoming earnings, dividend payouts, and splits for individual stocks. Now, I have another video talking about how to profit from stocks announcing earnings. So if you're interested in that video whatsoever, make sure, you could check it out. I'll include it like somewhere up here. Now, on top of that, everything I already mentioned on Robinhood, they also let you set alerts for individual stocks. So let's say you wanted to buy Apple stock when it falls, I don't know, another 10% down, but because you want to buy it at a cheaper price, you want to get a good deal, you could set an alert to notify you when Apple drops 10% so that you could get the notification, jump in, and get your position on Apple at the price that you wanted. Now, for this video, I'm not sponsored by any of these brokerage companies, by the way. However, Webull does have this offer going on where if you sign up to Webull with the link in the description below of this video and deposit $100, you will get 2 free stocks ranging anywhere from $8 to $1,600, which is pretty cool because you could use that free money to, start trading. And, quick fun fact, when I first signed up for Webull, I got a free share of Google, which at the time was worth like $1,200. So yeah, you just never know what free stocks you'll get, but it's guaranteed that you'll get something. Now, when it comes to customer support that Webull offers, it's much more better than Robinhood in the sense that they offer a chat feature where you could more quickly communicate with, customer support for your questions. And overall, guys, I'm a big fan of the Webull platform, and it's a platform that I would highly recommend, especially if you want to get more into trading rather than long-term investments. However, I'm going to be honest, at the time of this recording, Webull isn't my main platform for trading, only because I like to trade a lot of option spreads, and they have yet to add this feature to this platform. Next, we have TD Ameritrade. Now, prior to 2019, TD Ameritrade wasn't commission-free, but with the pressure of both Robinhood and Webull gaining so many clients, TD Ameritrade had no choice but to offer commission-free tradings for, to compete with its rivals in the industry. Now, I'm not going to go into this topic that deep because basically everything that Webull offers, TD Ameritrade offers. However, the charting on TD Ameritrade is much more advanced and cleaner, in my opinion. And the customer support in TD Ameritrade is immaculate because they offer 24/7 support where you can always just get in contact with a real agent to ask any questions that you need. And they also do offer free training for those who want to learn any new strategies and things of that nature. So in my opinion, TD Ameritrade is one of the best platforms to trade. However, I recently left the platform for a copious of reasons. For example, unlike Robinhood and Webull, TD Ameritrade still charges commission for option tradings, and their rates are much higher than their competitors that charge for options. So that's why I left TD Ameritrade. Now, TD Ameritrade is a great platform. However, it does have a slight learning curve due to the complexity of the platform, but then again, they do offer training, and there's a ton of videos on YouTube that could teach you how to use the platform. I even have some videos. Now, more other advanced brokerages, like Charles Schwab, E-Trade, they're very similar to TD Ameritrade in reality. However, the Thinkorswim platform does offer better charting, in my opinion. So that's why I think TD Ameritrade is, the top of the line. So there you have it. That's my review of the top commission-free brokerages out there. Again, they all have their strengths and weaknesses. So at the end of the day, it's up to you to decide what style trading you want to perform and then go on from there. If you guys learned anything new or just appreciated this video, make sure to tap that exquisite like button because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, guys, again, my name is Justin from Push and Profit. Hope you're having a beautiful day today, and I'm out. Take care.